friends. You may have noticed many alarming trends during the last 4 months. The job markets fell below a 15-year low. There is more than 50% dip in job postings across all levels. Unfortunately, situation is likely to be worse in the coming year also. Many jobs have vanished and many more will disappear in the next 2 years. Do you want to know what is likely to happen next? I'm Suram, founder of Prowess Competency Architects and Skill Culture. During the last 25 years, I worked for various top notch companies. I wrote books, created enterprise platforms, trained many leaders, and implemented several complex systems. Today, I have come here to discuss an important matter with you: the future of work and skill gaps. Corporates are using more and more automation to minimize every fixed cost. Going forward, only people with multiple skill sets and a right mindset will be hired or retained. Rest of them will be sadly resized. Having one or two skills now will not help you during this crisis period. It is time to build multiple backup skills and offer more and more value to retain jobs. It is just to retain jobs. Future is reserved only for T-shaped leaders. Here is how a T-shaped leader looks like. The T-shaped leaders have a strong technical depth and a wide set of skills and senses. Several reports indicate that the world is facing an acute skill gap. COVID is forcing us to find new methods of working. Therefore, many jobs that seemed relevant so far will vanish very soon. However, as the recovery progresses and markets open up, several new jobs will be introduced. This gives us a great opportunity for people who act on time. Those who don't understand this will be sadly left behind. It's not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one that is adaptable to change. It is time to change now. It is time to reskill and upskill. So, what are these opportunities? What are the new skills that you should learn? How to focus on what matters? Don't worry, I'll give you all answers. I will help you spot some great opportunities much beyond the regular job offers. You can surely bank on them till markets fully recover. I am happy to announce the launch of the Career Compass e-learning course. The Career Compass is power packed with practical tips and career booster techniques. I am confident that you will find this very useful. Career Compass is priced at 5000 rupees, but I have decided to offer this free for the first 500 students. Don't worry, there is absolutely no catch here. I don't need any payment details from you. Please share this message with 5 of your friends, and that too only after you are satisfied with the course. Sounds insane, right? But don't worry, this is my way of giving back to society. I don't want you to struggle now and miss the global opportunity. You can pursue this course from two platforms, YouTube and Skill Culture LMS. Here is a quick comparison for you to decide. As you can see, Skill Culture platform offers several advantages. On successful completion, you will also get a certificate. As you can see, it is also distraction free and offers various benefits. I invite you to use the facilities at my platform. I also invite you to subscribe to my channel and opt for all alerts. I hope to engage you with very useful career tips. Rest assured, I am committed to transform your career. The question is whether you are equally committed. Register now and claim this offer. Your delay can prove very costly. See you in the program. All the best. Thank you.